Hi, I'm Everett Abrams with DRP Enterprises, and here we are at a job today where we're going to get started, and this is just the beginning phase of it. We started with some demo. We're still pulling some stuff off of here. We had to actually work on the inside of the porch to do some staining that had gotten messed up that we fixed. It wasn't from us. It just wasn't exactly right. I told the customer we could fix that, and we did for her. And now we're going to start taking this apart. We did pour a few footings over here so that we'll be able to bring the deck out further, and then after that we start building the deck. We'll continue the demo. We're going to build new framing. We're going to put a whole new deck in here. After we're done, people are going to come in and put in pavers. So she actually is going to create a whole new outdoor living space out here. It's going to be comfortable for her and her dog. And DRP Enterprises is here just to get the outdoor living space where she would like that. So anyway, we're going to get started here, and we can do the same thing for you. So are you on our waiting list? Are you one of our next customers that we're going to be to provide a deck building service for you? We can do anything. We have some estimates out there that are going to include hot tubs. They include outdoor kitchen space and areas. This one's going to include another set of steps. We're extending the deck. A lot of these things take planning, so you have to go through zoning, permits. You might need a site plan if you don't have one, architectural drawings, and so forth. So it's not like you call a deck company and say, hey, you know what, DRP Enterprises, it's March and I need a deck for April for this season. It takes planning. It takes a lot more than that. So there's a process and everything you have to go through. The DRP Enterprises, we're going to walk you through that. We're going to go step by step, and we're going to get the job done for you. So we're getting started here, and we'll see how this turns out later on in another video. But if you want to get on our list or talk to us about a deck, feel free to give us a call. We're 609-268-3436. Take down your information, get you a free estimate, and we get the ball rolling so that you have a nice deck to enjoy, a nice outdoor living space to enjoy for many years to come. I'm Everett Abrams with DRP Enterprises. Thank you for watching the video.